Okay, we've let our head dry. So what we want to do is we're going to go in and we're going to sand this down so we're smoother with this before we put our side pieces on. So we're going to mark this where it's going to go.
Anyway, again, my policy on immigration, if you're flying over an hang glider, my God, welcome to America. You think there'll be more of these now? Do you have to build your own hang glider in Cuba? Yeah, no, there are unanswerable questions. Why are you asking this? We don't live in Cuba. Not only are they unanswerable, but they're boring. They're really boring. How much extra fuel does it take to fly this guy?
Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure this back is going to fit.
Here in 2 days, I'm sure. Really? Sure, I go on Amazon.
Because we want to put this on, get this together first.
Getting it delivered to Havana might be rough. I mean, did these guys build this thing? I'm sure they did, and if they did, and it flew across the ocean and they made it here, yeah, it's got parts from a '57 Chevy. Let's go ahead and see if we can.
So we'll glue this on. This is a piece that we'll be able to take on and off if we ever have to get inside to make some kind of repairs of some sort.
Okay, we can use it. Welcome aboard, gents. Yeah, people who are just walking, climbing a fence, that's no
So we're going to glue that in place. Then we'll staple it to hold it for now.
In Florida, they were probably either naked or on meth, so they could fit right in. Yeah, they were right in. He went to a lovely place.
Turn it over and do the other side. Make sure it fits.
Police say a dive team responding to a report of a suspected body floating in a canal recovered the reported remains. Discovered it was a store mannequin. South Simcoe police said officers responded to a report of a body floating in the canal near Canal and Pump House Roads on Wednesday afternoon. Discovered the mannequin.
That sounds like something I would have done. We've got, let's go steal a mannequin and throw it in the water and see what happens. It really does. Got me all. Sounds fun. Yeah, I think it's.
So we do that, just keep it from sliding on us, and then we can put a clamp on it.
Yeah, that would be awful. I would like to go to you just to see what you do. Oh. Do you think he'd ignore it? Oh, yeah. I'm too busy to do it. If I said dead body, I'd call the police. The police are judging by the clothing tag. I think the victim's name is Junior Spring Collection. I'd estimate the age to be forever 21. Sure.
So we'll clamp this and let it dry.
Story last year about a mannequin that washed up on the headless one that washed up on the shore. Did you ever see the pictures of that thing?
No.
It's gruesome. And it's covered in all this stuff, so it really does look like a dead. Yeah, it's got to be freaky.
Okay, so we got that. So before we put our sides on, we want to sand this off and round it down some. And then these pieces that we cut out inside, we'll use these pieces to make our ears.
We'll find out about it. Chisel it off, Gio. Chisel it off. Got Christy all over.
We have fruit roll-ups in the news. Or were you ever a fruit roll-up fan?
I'm more of a fruit by the foot guy, but yeah. I never heard those even as a kid. No thanks.
And then just turn this, your pattern over. Do the other side.
That's when your father came in and said, yeah, I found this.
Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll answer you. Sometimes somebody gives me some good ideas. There. So what we'll do is we'll put this in the vise. We'll carve this out, the inside first, then we can cut it out. It's easier to do it that way. So now we're going to take this and we're going to sand this down, and then we can put our sides on. Thanks for watching.